Question 1. Who led the Indian National Army INA during India's independence struggle? A. Jawaharlal Nehru. B. Bhagat Singh. C. Subhas Chandra Bose. D. Lala Lajpat Rai. Correct answer. C. Subhas Chandra Bose. Subhas Chandra Bose was a prominent freedom fighter and the leader of the Indian National Army INA. Question 2. Which Indian industrialist is known for leading the Tata Group and his philanthropy? A. Mukesh Ambani. B. Gautam Adani. C. Ratan Tata. D. Anil Ambani. Correct answer. C. Ratan Tata. Ratan Tata is a renowned Indian industrialist and former chairman of Tata Sons, known for his philanthropic work. Question 3. Who is called the Nightingale of India? A. Lata Mangeshkar. B. Indira Gandhi. C. Kalpana Chawla. D. Sarojini Naidu. Correct answer. D. Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu was an Indian independence activist and poet, known as the Nightingale of India. Question 4. Which Indian cricketer is known as the god of cricket? A. Virat Kohli. B. Sunil Gavaskar. C. Kapil Dev. D. Sachin Tendulkar. Correct answer. D. Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin Tendulkar is widely regarded as one of the greatest cricketers in the history of the sport, often referred to as the god of cricket. Question 5. Who won the Nobel Peace Prize in 1979 for humanitarian work in India? A. Nelson Mandela. B. Mother Teresa. C. Malala Yousafzai. D. Kailash Satyarthi. Correct answer. B. Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa was a Roman Catholic nun and missionary who devoted her life to serving the poor in India. She won the Nobel Peace Prize in 1979. Question 6. Who is known as the Iron Man of India? A. Lal Bahadur Shastri. B. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. C. Bhagat Singh. D. Rajendra Prasad. Correct answer. B. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was instrumental in the integration of princely states into the Indian Union and is known as the Iron Man of India. Question 7. Who is known as the Missile Man of India? विक्रम साराभाई, बी. होमी भाभा, सी. डॉक्टर एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम, डी. सतीश धवन। Correct answer, C. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was a renowned Indian scientist and the 11th President of India, often referred to as the Missile Man. Question 8. Who wrote the Indian national anthem, Jan Gan Man? A. Mahatma Gandhi, B. Subhas Chandra Bose, C. Rabindranath Tagore, D. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Correct answer, C. Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore was the first Asian to win a Nobel Prize and the author of the Indian national anthem. Question 9. Who was the first female Prime Minister of India? A. Pratibha Patil, B. Sarojini Naidu, C. Sushma Swaraj, D. Indira Gandhi. Correct answer, D. Indira Gandhi. Indira Gandhi was the first and remains the only female Prime Minister of India so far. Question 10. Who is regarded as the chief architect of the Indian Constitution? A. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, B. Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Dr. B. R. Ambedkar, D. Rajendra Prasad. Correct answer, C. Dr. B. R. Ambedkar. Dr. B. R. Ambedkar was the principal architect of the Indian Constitution and a strong advocate for the rights of Dalits.